everyone, welcome back with Miss Sandra. Today I bring this. What are these? Do you know what these are? Yes, these are origami papers. Today we will fold this into this. Can you do it? Let's do it together with me. To make heart-shaped origami, you need origami paper, marker, and coloring markers. Or you can use oil pastel or coloring pencil and anything else like glitter, ribbon, and glue to decorate your heart. Now, let's fold the paper first. This time, I will use a pink origami paper. The first one, we will fold this corner to the opposite corner. Make sure you make the crease. Okay, you can see it. Then we fold the other corner to the opposite corner. You can see that it makes an X shape on the paper. Now fold this corner to the center of the X shape. Okay. Then turn it around so you can see a diamond shape. Now we will fold this corner over to the center of the crease on the opposite side, like this. So it becomes like this. Now, pick this corner. You can see that there is a corner over here. Okay. To meet the corner that we folded earlier, like this. And then do the same for the other side. It's starting to look like a heart, right? Now, turn it around. Okay, before is this side. Now, flip it so you see the back. We will fold this corner like this. Do the same for the other. And then we have a pointed corner over here and there. We fold it. Look at this, look at this. We have a corner here. We fold it according to the crease that we have. Do the same for the other side. And flip it over. Ta-da! You have a heart-shaped origami paper. Now let's write a bit on the inside of the heart. So you can open it like this and write or draw something, because you will give it to your mom and dad. Okay. You can use marker. I will write I love mom and dad. Then I'm gonna give a little heart shape over here. Can you read it? Alright. You can decorate the other side using the coloring markers or coloring pencils or oil pastels that you have. I'm writing to mom and dad. Then I draw something. I draw flowers over here to make it more beautiful. You can draw anything else, anything that you want on your paper. It's done. When you give it to your mom and dad, you can tell them to open the paper like this. Ta-da! And they will read, I love mom and dad. It's easy, right? I hope you can do it at home and give the heart-shaped origami to your mom and dad. That's all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.